Hello students, today we will discuss how to download your data and how to work offline with your Google Sheets. If you need to send your files to external collaborators, upload a file into another system, or just like having backups, then you turn towards one of the Google Sheets data export options. What you have to do is you just go to File. You're having an option here that is Download As. It will give you so many options like Microsoft Excel, that you want to download your data as an Excel file, or you want to open in the format of ODS, or you want it in the PDF, or it also provide you an option to download your data as the web page. It will have an extension of .html. It can also be with the .csv file and tab separated values, that is .tsv file. So these are the extensions that are able for you to download your data. You can save it anywhere on your Google Drive or on your desktop drive. Wherever you want to save your data, you can save there. Now there is one more procedure in the spreadsheets, that is you can also work here offline, but you have to follow some of the instructions if you want to work offline. These three conditions are: firstly, you should have Google Chrome. You should work on Google Chrome. The browser which you use should be the Google Chrome. You should have a Google Drive Chrome web application or Google Drive Sync. So these are some instructions before using the offline mode. What you have to do is you just go to Home. Then when you click the menu, you are having the settings here. When you click the settings, you are having an option here, that is offline. It create, open and edit your recent Google Docs on the device while offline. It is the way to working offline. It is status showing that it is setting up the offline. Now if you want to dismiss it, or if you want to redo your action, you just click on dismiss. And you take your bar to the online mode. Just press OK and it is going to offline is disabled now. So it is the way you can work offline. No Wi-Fi or no internet connection is necessary for you to work. Thank you.